How about this beat?
That's like classic number one.
Well, it's similar. Well, but I'm adding more hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Notice where I'm opening the hi-hat.
Oh, I wouldn't open it.
At the very last moment.
No.
Bass. Okay, bass. Bass first. Bass. That's it. Okay, and make that hi-hat speak. Yeah. You're gonna have a hiccup. Watch the hiccup. It's at the very last second. In fact, start with the hiccup. Start with the hiccup. Four. Well, you got it, but play more on the hi-hat. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go.
Is the hiccup on the bass before the bass?
The bass drum's over here. Bass. And in fact, I do that a few times. To it again. 8, 2, 3, 4. There's more on the hi-hat. See that? Bass.
When you hit the hi-hat, is there any particular, do you like to hit the edge or?
Right about in here. With the and you've got the hi-hat pretty well down. Start with the hiccup. Wait a while before you come in on the snare. Bass. Yeah. That's it. Now we're going to open the hi-hat.
Is that 16th time? Those are eighth notes on.
I'm actually playing 16th notes over here. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a
1 E and I mean, I won't win
1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 1 E and a
2. I need to let my brain rest a second.
Yeah, well, just just, we're probably playing it too fast, actually, now that I think about it. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 3 E and a 4. That's it. Keep this going though. Keep it going. And 2. There you go. Okay, you've got the idea, but start out with the hiccup. That kind of reminds you, kind of warms up your brain. Yeah. And there's plenty of time. It doesn't have to be fast. Watch. It can be like. It doesn't have to be. No, just like that. Okay, one. Remember, 1 E and a 2 E and it comes in on 2. Okay. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a.
Do I want to hit this?
That's
1,
it.
2, and 4?
2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. That's it. I like that determined look on your face.